All right, my loser friend here and me, Chris Johnson, are out on a beautiful fall day, cutting wood. And we have this wonderful Kubota four-wheel drive tractor that is helping us haul these big old massive logs to be split into firewood. And we had a problem. The tire had a puncture right there and then came off the rim. We got it back on the rim, filled it, and realized it had been punctured. So we are going to use GlueTread to repair this tire. So I'm going to get ready, and then we'll walk you through the installation. So here we go. Okay, so we are going to, we've cleaned off the area.
Is the air out of the tire?
The air is out of the tire. It is empty.
Is it clean around the puncture?
It is clean around the puncture.
Open adhesive by cutting the tip off the cap.
There's the adhesive. You got something to cut it with?
Sure.
Right, there's the adhesive, and there's a tip.
Here, you better read the whole thing. I'll go get a...
You go get something to cut it. Remove any puncture object. Let all the air out of the tire. If necessary, clean the air around the puncture with mild soap and water. Open adhesive by cutting off tip. Insert knife or screwdriver to lift and expose the edges of the slice, which is what we're going to do here shortly. And you notice it's like a V-shaped slice. Use the applicator tip for adhesive. We're going to clean this with a little bit of sandpaper. Oh wait, nope. Sand around the damage area with 80 grit paper down to fresh rubber. Okay, so we do that afterwards, not before. So we will put you on hold till we get the tire on, get our knife out here.
That's all.
Okay, so we've cut off the tip. My smoking friend here, push that on there real good. And we are going to use the applicator, put a small amount of adhesive to the edge of the slice. Okay, here we go.
I can see dirt.
Oh, it's coming down. That's a pretty cool applicator. Okay, small amount of adhesive to the edge of the slice.
There's a...
Try and get that to go in a little bit more.
Is there another side to the slice there?
What's that?
Is there another side to the slice?
There's
like a
right
triangle?
there.
Yeah, do you want to put it there too?
Put a little bit more on. Go ahead. Right there. There you go.
Okay.
Okay. All right, next. Using the applicator. If the cut is in a pattern, do one cut at a time. Pull the knife or screwdriver out while matching up the edges of the slice. So we really didn't stick the knife in and totally open it up, but...
Oh, you're supposed to open it up while you're...
I think so. Let's give it a shot. You want to try and put it in there while I open the slice up? There you go. Go ahead and put it in there. Okay.
Okay.
And then put it in there just a little bit. Okay. And then let's put it in there like that. It looks like there's some in there. Good. All right. And then we wipe off. Add adhesive inside the puncture without using the applicator tip. Okay, we did that. That's first. This was a slice. Wipe off excess adhesive. Okay. That would be helpful. I'm just going to use my shirt. There we go. Excess adhesive gone. Sand around the damage area down to fresh rubber. There we go. Sanding. It's like your old school bicycle repair. I think we're down to pretty good rubber here. I think. Okay. Select the patch to cover the puncture.
Hold on a second.
My friend seems to believe that I don't do a good enough job, so then again, it's his tire. So. Select the patch to cover the puncture. or slice with a 1/4-inch minimum patch surrounding the puncture. Place the patch on the tire, trace the perimeter using marker, which we don't have, but we know the perimeter.
What's that sandpaper for?
So,
Is that what you
there's
use?
for multiple, yeah.
So do you want me to go get some scissors?
I got that.
Oh, okay, you got one?
I think we can just use this. So then it says, place the patch on the tire, trace the perimeter, remove the patch from the tire, add adhesive to the tire with the applicator tip in drops surrounding the slice.
We'll just go around it.
25 small drops per square inch.
25
So
small
just dot.
So is that a square inch?
Add the adhesive to the tire and not to the patch.
I know,
That's probably a little more than a square inch.
That's too big, right? That's not
Oh, that'll be fine.
Yeah, but it's not clean all the way out there. It's good. It doesn't have to be clean everywhere
Go ahead.
that the,
Yep. Okay.
So like that.
Yep. 25 dots on the tire, not on the patch. No. What are you doing?
I'm just going to mark the corners.
Oh, you are tricky. This is for people who don't have a marker. You can use glue to mark the corners.
25?
25 per square inch. Just little tiny dots.
Like
Dot,
that?
dot. Yep, that's good sized dot. Little dots like that. Not that big. Smaller. There you go. Small dots.
I lost my...
Okay, you're looking good. Okay. Now, place the patch on the tire along the marked lines and hold for 30 seconds.
Does it matter which side's down?
Nope.
Do you smear it
The
around?
wonder and just put it and hold it down.
You hold those two corners. I'll get
Okay.
these two.
This is a team effort here. Hold it down for 30 seconds. I'll look at the video and see what time it is. 5 minutes. When it's 5:37, we're done. This could be a career for me, you know.
YouTube videos.
That's right. And we are 15 seconds away from being repaired and back in action. And it served as a perfect break for me as I was tired. Yes. And that is past the 30 seconds. So there we go. Now what does it say? Should we follow the rest of the directions, or since we feel we're far enough? Allow the adhesive to cure. Hold the patch place. Allow the adhesive to cure for 1 hour before inflating the tire. Inflate the tire slowly. Inspect for leaks. If a leak is found, remove the compressed air from the tire. Leaks can be fixed by pulling up the air surrounding the leak with pliers, adding a small drop where the leak was. So we will give it an hour, go split some wood, and then we'll come back and we will fill this tire. Okay, it's been about an hour. Here's the patch. Looks good, nice and tight all the way around. Hard to bring it up from anywhere, so we'll fill it up with air and see how she does. Make sure I'm looking at the... She's holding air. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We are at 22 and 24 is the max. So, thank you GlueTread. We saved a tire. Bye.